Cordial greeting, tutor and partner. My name is Sandrine Rios and I will present the part 1. Speak and improve.
What's your name?
My name is Sandrine Rios.
How do you spell your family name?
Riosduran.
Where are you from?
I am from Ocaña, norte de Santander, Colombia.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
At the moment, I'm working and studying.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
Very interesting because I like know new cultures and ways of seeing life.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
Enjoy my free time reading books about spirituality, psychology, medicine, nature, and resting.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
My way improve English is listen to music in English and see documentaries about nature in English too.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
I would like to learn play instrumental music. Thank you very much.